Welcome. How are you doing?
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. It's great to see you.
Sounds great.
Feel great to see you. So let's talk today a little bit about what's on every buyer's mind, and
Yeah.
that is that interest rate.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
And
I
it's
hear
so
what
bad.
interest rates, what interest rates. So why am I seeing some of the new builds offering 5.5?
Oh yeah.
What is the reason behind that?
So a lot of those big builders, they are buying those rates in like a lump sum.
Okay.
So like DR Horton, I was talking to one of their sales counselors. This was like a year and a half ago actually, and so she was like, "Yeah, we bought like it was like a ridiculous amount of money on just a 4.5% interest rate.
Wow.
But once those run out, they run out.
Mhm.
So, but they're great
Mhm.
options for people sometimes.
So you're saying that they had to actually physically buy those. It's not just something that the bank said, "Oh, you're a new build."
Oh
you
yeah,
have
they're
less."
buying them directly.
Okay. So then is there a way for us as agents, as lenders, to kind of do the same thing on the flip side for a resale?
Yeah, and this is something that
I asked you that question, but I know the answer because we do it all the
I
time.
know. I'm like, why are you asking? Why don't you just tell me? But seriously, like this is something that I think you and I started doing with. I know exactly what client it was, but
was a
over a
while
year
ago.
ago.
Yeah.
Over a year.
And you were the first one that kind of introduced me
Yeah.
to this, and I was like, "What?"
They're very payment conscious. And I was like, hey, why don't we go up 20,000 and then ask for it back? And then you're like, yes.
Let's do it.
And
But I
they're-
don't want to go up
I
20,000.
know. But they got a 4.5 interest rate, and
Mhm.
they're not gonna have to refi for a while. So it worked out. So that was kind of the beginning of our little buy downs. And I think that we've come into I don't know if it's the right
I think they're
word.
more valuable
I
right
think
now.
they're
than
so
anything.
valuable. If you want to buy a house, I mean, you can make it happen, and you can get it in the price point and payment that you need it to be. You need to be working with someone like you and I that will work a little bit harder to make it happen for you.